This recipe is my frozen tiramisu. It's the ultimate showstopper Christmas dessert. It looks impressive, yet it's super simple to make. The first thing we need to do is extract our Nespresso pods. I've chosen the Virtuo Il Cafe pods today because the strength of this coffee goes perfectly with the creaminess of the tiramisu. Now that we've extracted our Il Cafe, all I need to do is add a little bit of sugar to it because I want to use half to roll our sponge finger biscuits in, and the other half I'm going to slowly, gently simmer because I want to make a lovely sticky Il Cafe syrup just to finish our tiramisu. To make the perfect syrup, just stir it over a really low heat. You don't want the coffee to boil because it'll become bitter. To build the tiramisu, simply roll the sponge biscuits in the Il Cafe mixture and place them in the base of your tin. To make the ice cream layer for the tiramisu, I like to use a little cheat. I just use good quality store-bought vanilla bean ice cream and I just beat it until it's just softened. Add a little bit of whiskey or maple syrup to flavor it if you like. Take 1/3 of our softened ice cream and layer it over those Il Cafe soaked sponge finger biscuits. Keep layering until you've used all of the biscuits and the ice cream mixture. To finish the tiramisu, just before serving, take some thickened cream, mascarpone, and a little bit of vanilla, and just whisk it until it's soft and pillowy. The easiest way to unmold our frozen tiramisu is just to lay a hot towel over the top just for a couple of seconds, just to release the ice cream from the tin. Spoon generous scoops of our whipped mascarpone mixture over the top of the frozen tiramisu. And then my simple stylus tip, just make little pools in the mascarpone mixture. Spoon over your sticky Il Cafe syrup and your frozen Christmas tiramisu masterpiece is done.